We have this wood panel board. It was one that we had laying around, and this metal ribbon from Hobby Lobby for $7.99 in silver. And we're going to start out by measuring what we need using some metal shears, and we're going to be placing this around the edge of this board. Now, they do have a similar board of this style at Hobby Lobby, or a kitchen cabinet works great as well. A kitchen cabinet door. So once we measured out for around the edge, we're going to be using E6000 for our main glue and hot glue gun for just having it stay in place while the E6000 dries. You really probably should have a pair of gloves because you're going to be touching the E6000. Basically, we are dabbing the E6000 in different places and then adding the hot glue section by section for it to lay down. And this worked very well. It laid down quite nicely. I found this Amen sign from Hobby Lobby. It was $7.99, also 40% off. And it had these little hangers on the back that I had to remove. Just using a small screwdriver to remove. And then I measured so that I could place it in the center of my board evenly. I made a small marker as I needed to lift it to add the glue. Again, we're using E6000. And then a little bit of hot glue just to hold it in place. And then I just went around and cleaned out any excess glue that had bled underneath. Now I found this little metal flower or metal ribbon, metal bow, I don't know what you want to call it, from Walmart. I believe it was $3.99. And I took some E6000 and placed it up in the corner just for added decor. And then allowed that to dry. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Go check us out on YouTube. For any paint products or brushes, chalkitupfancy.com. And thank you so much for watching.